Right, I got these paper path cleaning papers, laser and inkjet printer cleaning sheets. We just changed our toner and we're getting blue on it. I kind of tried to hide that, but now I'm going to try using this to see if it will actually clean it. This is the before, and now I'm going to do the after, the middle, and then we'll do the after. This is a printer test page. Terrible. This is a photocopy. Looks a bit better. Okay, it's getting worse. So far not working. Keeping on trying. Sometimes it helps to just look more closely at things. Look at this. No wonder I'm getting a blue streak when I make my copies like that. It's because there's toner all over it. So now I'm going to try cleaning that off, although it looks like it could be maybe a defective cartridge. So I'm going to try cleaning it off and then see what happens. So I cleaned it off. There's a bunch of streaky stuff here. Okay, printer's doing something. Okay, trying that copy again. And will it be better now? Oh, it still sucks. Yuck. Not as bad, but it still sucks. Alright, so I printed another page and it's still doing this thing. So I'm going to consider this to be a defective toner cartridge. I'm going to report it to the manufacturer. It is an aftermarket manufacturer, so but hopefully they'll be able to take care of that. And thankfully I just ordered it not too long ago. All right, thanks, bye.